In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your referral link on Pocket Option to gain trading bonuses. We'll walk through the process together, ensuring that you're fully equipped to invite your friends and make the most of this opportunity. First, let's start by heading over to your Pocket Option dashboard. This is your main hub and where all the activity on your account is centered. It's easy to navigate, and you'll see several options on the left-hand side of the screen. Out of the selections there, you'll want to click on Pocket Friends. This feature is designed to help you build a network within the platform, inviting friends who are also interested in trading. It's a great way to connect with others and potentially benefit through shared experiences and rewards. Once you're in the Pocket Friends section, you'll find your referral link. This is a unique link specifically assigned to you, designed for you to give to friends you want to invite to join Pocket Option. Now, when you click on your referral link, you have two straightforward options. You can either copy it or share it directly. If you choose to copy it, you can paste it into an email, a message, or wherever you communicate with your friends. It's entirely up to you how you wish to reach out. Alternatively, the platform might also provide integrated options to share it on social media channels, so be sure to choose the method that suits you and your friends best. There's an essential detail to remember when inviting friends. Make sure that the friends you invite deposit at least $10 into their accounts and achieve a trading turnover of 15 times. This criterion is crucial because it determines both their eligibility for bonuses and yours. Encouraging your friends to actively participate and trade will ensure that you both reap the benefits of the referral scheme. Once these conditions are met, you can look forward to receiving trading bonuses. These bonuses are a fantastic incentive as they can help boost your trading experience and potentially enhance your success on the platform. Using your referral link and engaging with the community can create a mutually beneficial environment for you and your friends. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share your referral link on Pocket Option and earn bonuses through your network. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore the other features Pocket Option offers as you continue your trading journey. Good luck and happy trading!